Next, in JavaScript, we are going to use functions to do addition of two numbers and multiplication. So here I'm creating a file, naming it as function2.html. It's our HTML file, and one more file, that is JavaScript file, function2.js. So here in HTML file, it's our emit code, and outside this closing of this body tag, after this tag we are going to link this file with our JavaScript file. So script src equals to, name of that file is function2, function2.html. so here linking is done. Now we'll come to function2.js, and here we are creating a function. Name of that function is display. Instead of display, I'm giving name to this function as add, and here within bracket I'm giving a and b as parameters. This is starting and closing bracket of this function. Here within function I'm declaring one more variable. Name of that variable is c, and this c will be holding addition of a and b. Then we are going to print this addition on console.log, and here we can give message addition of a and b equals to, and here we can put that c, and here we are going to call this function. Add is the name of function. We have to pass two arguments, so here I'm passing 2 and 4. This is going to give addition as 6. So when function will be called, it will go to this function definition. 2 will be placed in place of a and 4 for b. Now 2 plus 4 addition will go to c, and it is going to print that addition on console. Save it, go to HTML file, then go live. Here right click, inspect, right click on this file, inspect, and here on console we can see that it hasn't given addition yet. So here we have made a mistake. In HTML file, instead of function2.html, we have to put function2.js. Now linking is done. Now we can see its addition on console, like addition of a and b is 6. Similarly, we can do multiplication. So here only I'm creating one more function. I'm naming it as multi, and this is going to hold 3 arguments. A1 is the name of first argument, then second is b1, and third is c1, and this is the body of function. And here we are declaring variable let m equals to, within bracket I'm doing a1 multiplied by b1 multiplied by c1. So whatever will be value of a1, b1, c1 will come in, a1 value will come to a1, second value which will be giving will come to b2, third value will be giving in function call will go to c1. So here we are doing function call, so multi, and here I'm putting values as 3, 2, 1. So it is also going to give multiplication as 6. So here it should be multi. Save. Here we have save it. Now go to HTML file and go live. Again on console, so it has given, hasn't printed multiplication. So as we haven't printed it here, so it is not going to print, so we have to print console.log, and here we can give message multiplication of 3 numbers is equals to, within double quotes, and here we have to print that multiplication which is in variable m. So save it, and we can see here that it has given multiplication of 3 numbers is 6. So we have done addition and multiplication of numbers with the help of function and JavaScript.